how we can solve a cubic polynomial, solutions of cubic polynomial. In our previous class we have solved how to solve quadratic polynomial. You all know it. Now let us see how to find solutions of a cubic polynomial. So for that purpose I have taken one cubic polynomial here. Let me say that this polynomial is equal to, say, some value x. Say it is equal to, say, x. Now p at x is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Now the first step to find the solutions of cubic polynomial is we start putting some values for x. For example, in this polynomial I will put x is equal to 1. Suppose if I put x is equal to 1, then this polynomial will become p at 1 is equal to, wherever x is there, you substitute the value of x by 1 and see the results. Let us see what results we are going to get. If I put x as 1 here and again put x as 1 here and x as 1 here, then what will happen here is 1 cube is 1, 2 into 1 square is 1, into 2 is 2, minus 1, and then this is what? This is plus 2. So let us see what we get here. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So polynomial at 1 is equal to 0. Polynomial at 1 is equal to 0. So children, actually what we got here is polynomial at 1 is equal to 0 means if I put the value of x as 1, if I put the value of x as 1, in that case the polynomial will become 0. So that means if x is equal to 1, the polynomial becomes 0. That means what? Therefore I can say x is equal to 1 is 0 of p at x. It is 0 of p at x. Then in that case what I can say is x minus 1 is factor of p at x. So that means what? X minus 1, if we divide this polynomial by x minus 1, I am going to get 0 as the remainder. So in that case what you should do is you divide this x minus 1 by this polynomial and let us see what happens. So division already I have shown in my two videos of class 10 standard, though the video belong to class 10 standard, but already I mentioned in that video itself that it is very important for class 9 standard also. So I advise you children to once again see those division of polynomials videos of class 10 standard. The same method we have to apply. Here I have to divide x minus 1. I have to divide this by x minus 1. So let us see what happens if I divide. So how to divide I already told in that video. See here, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. It should be divided by x minus 1. Suppose if I divide by x minus 1. Now the question is how to divide by x minus 1. See here, we have to compare the coefficient. The coefficient here is plus 1, the coefficient here is plus 1. The degree of x is 1, the degree of x is 3. So I should make this x equal to x cube. That means I should get x cube from here. So what I do here is I multiply by x square. If I multiply by x square, what will happen is x into x will become x cube. Plus of minus is minus. X square into x square into 1 is x square. Again here plus sign is there, so I'll write minus. Minus sign is there, so I'll write plus here. So common terms with positive and negative sign cancels here. Minus 2x square plus 1x square will be equal to minus x square. Minus 1x square minus x plus 2. Once again you see here the coefficient of x is plus 1, here the coefficient of x square is minus 1. So I should multiply this plus with minus to get the coefficients equal. then the degree of x is 1 here, the degree of x is 2 here. So what again I'll have to do is, I'll have to multiply this by again x. So what I mean to say is, I want to say this. See here, minus of plus is minus, x into x is x squared, minus of minus is plus, x into 1 is x. So again what happens here, you see, minus sign is there, so you have to change it to plus sign. Plus sign is there, so you have to change it to minus sign. Then what happens is, minus x square plus x square cancels, minus 1x is minus 2x plus 2. Minus 2x plus 2. Again you have to compare the coefficients. Now here the coefficient of x is 1, here the coefficient of x is minus 1. So 1 into 2 is minus 2. So what I'll do here, I'll multiply by minus 2. If I do so, what will happen is, minus of plus is minus, 2 into x is 2, x as it is, minus of minus is plus, and 2 into 1 is 2. So children, finally what I get is, this minus sign is there, so I'll change it to plus sign. Plus sign is there, I'll change it to minus sign. Again you see, minus 2x plus 2x cancels, my plus 2 minus 2 cancels, so the remainder is 0. So finally, when I divide this x minus, I have told you already that x minus 1 is a factor, and since x minus 1 is a factor, I am getting the remainder as 0. Now you know already that divisor into dividend, this into this plus this is equal to this. So what I mean to say here is, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 equal to this into this plus 0. So what is it? X minus 1 into x squared minus x minus 2. Now again if I simplify, this will be equal to x minus 1 into this. On multiplying I should get minus 2, on adding or subtracting I should get 1. So the factors are x squared minus 2x plus 1x minus 2. Again if I take common factor, let us see what we get. Here you see, this will be equal to x minus 1. Here if I take x common, then what I'll get is x into bracket x minus 2. Again I'll take plus 1 common, x minus 2. So finally what I get is x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x plus 1. Or even I can write like this, x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 2. Now children, this is one method of solving the problem. Now the same problem can be solved by a second method also. That is usually called as, in mathematics math teachers call it as second method. Instead of going for, this is called as long division method. It is not necessary that a child should always go for long division method. He can go for shortcut method. So what is that shortcut method? I'll tell you. In shortcut method what we do is, after this x minus 1 is a factor of px. After writing x minus 1 as a factor of px, we go by this method. So this method I'll call it as second method. In the examination, you are supposed to take any of the two methods. You can take it. You can solve it. So in the shortcut method, what we do here is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Whatever is px I have written here. Then up to this, you know, x minus 1 is a factor. This up to this method, the things are common for both. Up to this, it is common for both methods. It is common for both methods. In the first method, after this step, we are going for long division. In the second method, after this step, we are going for short method. What is that short method? In the short method, what we do is we keep on writing x minus 1 here. Again, we write x minus 1 here. And again, we write x minus 1 here. Just look carefully what I am doing. So, what I have written is, I have written this factor x minus 1 thrice. 3 times I have written. After that, carefully you observe what I do. See, I need x cube. I need x cube. Here I am having x. So, x should be multiplied by x square to get x cube. So, what I do here is, this x I multiply by x square. Then what will happen is, in the rough part, you note down all these things. In the rough part, you note down all these things. What is that you have to note down? Plus of plus is plus. X squared minus x squared into x will be equal to x cube. Then plus of minus is minus. X squared into 1 is x squared. Now see, I am trying to make these two equal. And in the process, let me see what are the things that I have made equal. X cube is, already I got x cube here. By multiplying x square and x, I got x cube. But what I need here is, the next thing that should be made equal is minus 2x square. And my dear, you are having only minus x square here. You are having only minus 1x square, because x square into x is x cube, plus of minus is minus, so 1x square. Now you need to have minus 2x square, out of which you are having 1x square. That means you need one more x square. So how to get that minus one more x square? This x I will multiply by another x, and that is minus x. In that case, what will happen here is, minus of plus will become minus, x into x will become x square, minus of minus is plus, and x into 1 is x. So my dear, what I have done is, I have balanced x cube already. Already I have balanced x cube. I wanted to balance minus 2x square, which I have balanced it, because from here I will be getting 1 minus x square, from here I will be getting one more x square. So these two minus x square together will make, so what I got here is x cube minus 2x square. Now the next thing that I should balance is, I should get minus x. Oh my god, here we are having plus x. So that means from plus x, I should get 1 minus x. Now how to do that? What I do is, I will multiply by, I will multiply by minus 2. So in that case, what will happen? In that case, let us see what happens. Minus of plus is minus. 2 into x is x. So 1x minus 2x. 1x minus 2x is minus 1x. And this minus of minus is plus 2. So these things you need to do in the rough work. It need not be shown. It need not be shown. So what I have done is, I have written x minus 1 and x minus 1 in advance, and then from there onwards I tried to balance it by making the left hand side equal. So now finally what I get is, this throughout x minus 1 is common. Throughout x minus 1 is common. So what remains in the bracket is x squared minus x minus 2. Now children, you see, this becomes x minus 1 into I need not solve it again because already I have come to this step. So I hope you understood what I did. Instead of going for such a long division, I have got the answer, I have got this step only by in one step. So this is called shortcut method. And from x squared minus x minus 2, you have already solved it here. So I am not going to repeat the same step. Directly I will write here x squared minus x minus 2. This has been solved as x plus 1 into x minus 2. So x plus 1 into x minus 2. So I hope you understood how to solve a cubic polynomial. I will take up one more video, and in that I will take up one more problem and solve a cubic polynomial and show it to you. So that's all in this video. Thank you.